is Kordian Rak, and the name of my company is Rak Plumbing and Heating. Today I'll be installing a dishwasher and a kitchen faucet along with all the drain lines.
Okay, how's that, Edwin?
It's pretty straight for me.
So this nut here is installed during the demolition phase so somebody doesn't accidentally bump into this angle valve here. Open the water so it doesn't spray all over the place and cause a flood. I became a plumber because I was always interested in the trades. I used to work with my father when I was a little kid growing up, and as soon as I saw somebody pull out a torch on a job site, I said, I want to do what that guy's doing. So I stuck with plumbing, and I seemed to fall in love with it. All right, so now that we're ready for our dishwasher connections, next thing we'll do is pull out this dishwasher and see what kind of connections we have to deal with. So this is a dishwasher elbow, this is a dishwasher hose. This screws onto the back of the dishwasher here, prepare it to slide back in place. This side of the hose will be connecting underneath the kitchen sink to the hot water valve. So the next thing I'll be doing is securing the dishwasher hose and installing this 2-hole strap. That way nobody can pull this hose down, so that way we don't have any backflow going into the dishwasher. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be turning on the shut-off valves for the kitchen faucet and the dishwasher. Edwin, we need a garbage bag. I have a leak on the old valve. So we just turned on the dishwasher valve, and the first thing that happened is the valve started leaking. So we're gonna try to tighten up the packing nut on it and see if that works. If not, we'll have to shut down probably part of this community in order to replace the shut-off valve. Okay. So you can tighten this little packing nut here on this shut-off valve. It may stop the leak and it may not. All right. So I was able to tighten the packing nut on this shut-off valve so we don't have to shut down the entire community, but this shut-off valve should be replaced. So the next thing I'll be doing is testing the kitchen sink drain by filling up the entire sink with water. I'm gonna be pulling the drain plug on it and testing the drain assembly underneath, see if there's any leaks. So far it looks good, there's no leaks, and that's it. We're all done with this kitchen.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.